Hi, Senator. So how long has Sweden had a carbon tax? And if you don't know how long they've had it, do you think that the length of time that the Sweden has had a carbon tax has an impact on the GDP? Okay, so that time has elapsed. So you should have, I don't really know what your answers were, but that was kind of a question I had. And then, so I'm going to try another question. So this is going to be another question. You have 30 seconds to answer. So I give you one tap. They give you one gavel tap at 20 seconds, 2 gavel taps at 30 seconds. With the implementation of carbon tax, do you think that companies will move offshore because of the high prices inside the United States? And do you think that do you have any examples to prove what you're trying to say? Okay, thank you. So these are, let me fire off another question. Once again, 30 seconds. 30 seconds to answer. Okay, so in these countries you're talking about, what kind of growth or what kind of decrease in carbon emissions are we talking about in the countries that you stated? And do you have, have they worked in more cases, has this carbon tax worked in more cases or less cases in the overall growth, not just in the select studies you've shown? How does the American people feel about the carbon tax? Okay, so those were just a few examples of questions. If you have other people with you doing this drill, definitely have them question you and you question them on carbon tax or on any other bills that you guys have. I can also link down below a bunch of other bills, but definitely practice asking each other questions. There's a bunch of different questions. I actually have a full-length blog on this, so if you want to know the different kind of questioning strategies, it's down below. But the general gist of you try to trap someone, and then you also try to build up for your own speech. So definitely question each other, use the questions I had, try to answer it in a 30-second time period, and definitely keep going down below. We're going to keep going throughout this thing. Thank you guys.